Welcome to the session number 5 from the playlist of system of particles and rotational motion. The topic is the center of mass of a cone, and on the basis of this topic I have selected one question which was asked in the IIT mains examination in the year 2015. So the question here is, the distance of center of mass of a solid uniform cone from its vertex is z. So this is the vertex of the cone. Say this is the point A. If the radius of the base is r and the height is h, so this is the height of the cone. Let us say this is the center of the base, and which I have depicted here as O, and this is the another point on the base of this cone, so that OB is equal to r, where r is the radius of the base. So here the height of the cone is equal to h, so we can say that OA is equal to h. So if the radius of the base is r and the height of the cone is small h, then the value of the z, and what is z? Z is the distance of the center of mass of this solid uniform cone from its vertex. Vertex is this point, that is A. So we know that the center of mass of a solid uniform cone is is equal to h by 4 from the base of the cone. So here this point C is the center of mass of this solid uniform cone, and the center of mass of a solid uniform cone is at a distance of h by 4 from the base of the cone. So this is equal to h by 4. Now we have been given that the height of this cone is equal to h, that is OA is equal to h. Now we know that the center of mass of a solid uniform cone from the base of the cone is equal to h by 4. So it means that OC is equal to h by 4. So the distance of the center of mass of this solid uniform cone from the vertex, that is AC, this will be equal to h minus h by 4. So this is equal to 3h by 4. So the distance of the center of mass of this solid uniform cone from the vertex will be equal to 3h by 4. So the correct option here is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be taking up a different topic from the same chapter, that is the system of particles and rotational motion. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.